Hurricane Dorian has made its way here to Chincoteague. I believe it's like a Category 1 right now. Morning, and we decided to go for a quick kayak through the canals. It's fun. It's really calm out here and peaceful. We're checking out all the checking out all the houses. There's so many cool like little places back here. Just dreaming, wishing we could have one day. Never know, maybe.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Check out these kayaks. Whew. All right, I'm gonna keep on exploring. So as part of the dock on our house we're renting, it's a little library you can float up to, take a book and leave a book.
The winners are up. Oh.
Oh! The hole is broken! Get him in. What are you doing, Rob?
I'm putting 11 on the scoreboard for us. 11 to 3. 11 to 3.
Taking a video of you taking a video of the sunset.
Well, I decided to get the kayak out here and enjoy the sunset from the water view. Look at that. And there's little fish all around me jumping in the water, and if I wasn't sitting here, the birds would be over here trying to get them. It almost sounds like it's raining. Or the water's laughing, but it's just fish jumping out there. It's really cool. So peaceful. Great way to end the day. Good morning. It's Friday morning. We're supposed to be flying out to Finland today, and well, that's still the plan. But Hurricane Dorian has made its way here to Chincoteague. I believe it's like a Category 1 right now. You can definitely feel the winds. They are blowing. You probably hear them too. It is definitely different than it has been in the previous days. We're going to probably pack up and head out pretty early just to make sure we can get off the island. Alright, it's around 10:30 and we're hitting the road. Leaving Chincoteague right now. Hopefully it's a smooth ride all the way to Dulles. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for our beach vacation. We made it out of Hurricane Dorian alive and off the island. There was a little concern for a minute there that we may not make it because of some water real close to the road as you're leaving Chincoteague, but we made it. The Bay Bridge was fine, no issues there, slight wind advisory, but anyways, we're on we're on our way to the airport and back to Finland. So it was fun. It was a fun 2 weeks. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.